Welcome back, everyone. This is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today, we'll be replacing the left swivel hinge. These often go out due to these two pins wearing out, causing the headphone to spin. This can create further damages, such as twisting your internal wire, therefore causing a much worse repair than this. So, we'll be working on the left side today. We'll start off by taking the ear pad off. It's held on by a few clips around the edges. So you just kind of grab it underneath and pull it back and work it out of the clips. Put that to the side, we'll use that later. These mesh covers are held down by two pieces of tape here and here. So carefully we'll just go under the mesh and pry that back. As you can see on this one, we damaged this by the tape came off, so we can just peel that away. And we have new tape to put on. Next, we'll be taking out two Phillips screws here and here. We'll be using a 1.5mm Phillips head screwdriver. Once you take the screws out, place them to the side. Those are going to be the longest of all the screws in these headphones. Next, we flip it over and we can pop this cover out. Sometimes, if they're being a little stubborn, you can just grab a plastic pry tool, kind of pry it out carefully, and they'll pop out with ease. Once we take this out, put it to the side for later. Next, what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to loosen this wire here. The reason we do the process of taking this apart is so that we can loosen this wire and it has some room to go down. Next, I like to start with the side without the wire. So you can see this side has the wire going into it, this side does not. Grab your pry tool and carefully, make sure this is aligned flat, so hold it down with your finger here and carefully pry it up. The reason we keep this parallel to this is because there's a little locking mechanism in there, which it will only release if you have this straight. Next, we just move on to the other side and pry this side out as well, making sure that this is parallel with that. Once you pop it out, you can make sure and unscrew these two Phillips head using the same 1.5mm screwdriver. If you need any of these tools, be sure to go check our link in the description. We sell all these tools, and you can get your repairs done at home. Next, you can pop out the inside panel and set that to the side. Next, take the wire out carefully, and this will just pop right out. We can grab our other one, our replacement unit, and pop it in the same way you took the other one out, and ensure that this one does not overspin. Next, we'll put this wire back the way we found it, carefully guiding it through into its position. Now that we've done that, we can grab our inside panel and pop it into place. I like to put on the side where the wire is to make sure we hold the wire down and the wire does not pop out in this, and then move on to the other side. Once it's aligned, you can put these two Phillips head screws back in. Next, we'll pop in the side with the wire first, carefully making sure we don't break any of this new clip that we just got. Pop that side in, it clips in. Same way, make sure keeping these two parallel to each other so the locking mechanism works. And it snaps right in place. Bam, it's working great. Next, you can go ahead, put this wire back into its little clip. Make sure it holds down. Grab our cover, pop it into place. There's no clips or anything. Next, we'll grab our two longer Phillips head screws. These use the same 1.5mm screwdriver It's the only tool really necessary for this repair. And a pry tool, that is. And we just screw these back in. Make sure you do not over tighten this, because that can result into you stripping out the cover panel. Magnetic screwdriver always helps to hold your screw while you put it into place. Next, we can grab our mesh, ensure that we've got our new pieces of tape on, and we just align it and just push it down to ensure the tape grabs a hold. Next, I like to grab the ear pad, find the center top, and put that into the top clip first. Next, I work around going one clip at a time. And there you have it. You just fixed your QC35s, both swivels functioning properly, and you can enjoy your headphones again. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe with any questions you might have. We'll be sure to assist you. Any tools that we used in this repair will be on our website linked down below. Thank you and have an excellent day.